in his hands. He's got one world in his hands. He's got the whole world in his hands.
Don't know if you got a girl.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Hey, welcome back to my channel. So, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Miss J, and I'm doing a hair video for you today. So as you can see, my hair is in K-rows, right? It's been in K-rows for a while, so that's why you can't see the parts. And you can see I've got very low hairline, so my hairline comes all the way forward. And my hair is in K-rows. It's been K-rows for a couple months. So today I'm gonna take down my K-rows. I'm gonna take you on my journey, my natural hair journey, and then I'm going to wash my hair, and then I'm gonna condition it, and I'm gonna use the new product and see how it does, like my final hair, like my final the final style. Like I'm gonna rate it. I'm gonna tell you guys what I think about it. Product. So let me just do a little bit of a length check here. So from here, this is the back. My hair goes to my. Can you see my armpits? So if I stretch it out, it goes to my armpits. This side, armpit as well. If I stretch it out. Okay, I'm gonna do from the back as well. So I'm gonna take. So from the back, it goes to my brush. Okay, so that's like my little bit of a length check while it's in my braids. So natural hair, I've got 4C hair. You'll see all of the journey in a bit once I finish filming. This is how it is. My K-rows, I have like, let me count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on one side, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 another. So I've got 12 in total in my hair. So when I take it out, you'll see how it looks. Check in, guys. Check in with me. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be a fun video. So get into it. Natural hair vibes. Natural hair vibes. Hey, and I really love my natural hair, and I really love having natural hair. For me, it thrives best when it's warm and when it's sunny. But because we can't be outside and we're isolating, so I thought I might as well do it and probably re-camera it, get ready for when it's like warmer, so I can have my natural hair out in the warmer weather. Because in this country it's so cold, I always protective style it through winter all the way up until like springtime, and then I like to have it out so it can breathe and get all the good nutrients from the sun. Alright guys, so these are the products I'm going to use for my hair routine today. So I'm using my brush. This is my Tangle Teezer brush that I'm going to use for, I don't know if you can see it, yeah, for detangling my hair. Okay, so when I detangle, I'm using this. Then this is a product I'm going to use. It's a conditioner. I'm testing it out today. It's Palmer's coconut oil formula, if you can see. That's what I'm using for my conditioner. And then I'm using this for my shampoo. And that's the same thing. So the same product line. I'm testing it out. And yeah, so we'll see what happens. So these are going to be my conditioners. And then my tool for my new tool that I'm testing out as well is the RevAir. That should be fun to see how that goes in my hair. And yeah, we'll see like the final style. I'm going to show you the whole process because the sun is coming out now. It's good to have my natural hair out. Like you can see, it's been bare months, okay? So I can't wait to see what my hair looks like when I take it down. I love my natural hair, so it's gonna be fun times. Alright guys, peace. See you in the next stage. And we'll see how long it takes for me to take out my cane rolls. Let's go. Oh yeah, I got myself a drink when I get thirsty, because this is thirsty work, guys. Hey. So take off one cane roll. I've got 12 to go. Hey. What?
Don't mean to disrespect, but all of you rule my world. I even dream of you, I swear. Visions of you and I.
So this is one cane roll taken out. So look at the stretch. Look how it's a lot. I haven't seen my hair for a while, so I'm gonna. It's still got moisture in it, you know. Wow, it's a bit dirty. So when I wash it, you'll see how it looks. So that's one cane roll. I'm gonna take out all of them. And alright, guys. So I've taken out my hair. This is my fro. Can you see? It's quite. I've got a lot of hair, bro. Like when I was taking it out, I was like, "Am I done yet?" Like I kept on going, "Am I done yet?" This is it from the front, back. It's hella dirty. I can't wait to wash this out. There's bare dust, bare flakes. Let me show you from the side. This is my fro, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna wash it. It's mad big. Look at it from the back. Let me show you like it stretched out. Okay, so this is the bottom of my hair. It's a blood clot bush, yeah. Okay, so the bottom of my hair, it's look, armpit, and all that stuff. So I'm gonna put this into sections. I'm gonna put my hair into sections. Look how big my fro is. Oh my gosh, guys. I'm gonna put it into sections and then I'm gonna go wash it, detangle it, and come back and then use them. Alright guys, so I've literally just sectioned it off. There's like 12 twists in my hair, and automatically since I last did it, I can feel it feels like my hair is more fuller. I don't know if you can see from the back. I'm gonna show you from the back. Yeah, so it feels like it's more fuller. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to detangle it, and then I'm gonna go wash it, and then I will use my new product and test it out. So for detangling purposes, I'm gonna use this right here. I'm gonna use this to wet my hair to mist it up, and then I'm gonna use I'm gonna use this as my conditioner. Okay? Alright, you ready? Alright, so you're gonna see me do it. So I'm taking down one bit. Okay, I put some water in it, and I'm gonna put some conditioner. Ooh, it smells good. It smells like, ooh, it smells very good. It smells of coconut, like proper strong. Wow, it smells good. I have to smooth it out and get my hair, you know what I'm saying? Okay, let me now start brushing. Yes. Okay, so this is the tangled. My hair is so. Ooh. Okay, let's start from the root. That's my hair.
See you all around my way. Been meaning to say hi, but I'm just way too shy. I gotta make you see
This is a long process. Oh my god. I have to detangle my whole head.
more than just a secret.
Okay, it's working, it's working. It's detangling. I'm gonna still wash my hair in twists. Then I'm gonna detangle it after. This is a whole long process, guys. I've just conditioned and detangled all my hair, my whole hair, so it's in sections. I've conditioned and I've detangled. I've used this brush and the other thing that I showed you before. Detangled. It took me a long time, a whole 2 hours to detangle this good hair. Oh my god. So I'm gonna go wash it and shampoo it and I will be right back. Alright, so guys, I've just finished washing my hair. This is my washed hair and it's shrunken. My twist is shrunken. I'm about to now use the product. I'm gonna put my heat spray in and then I'm gonna get started.
If you with somebody and you know you want the body, then
Guys, I just used this as my first one. Look how straight this is and look how dry it is. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Okay, I can't even brush it because it's fully dry. I need to wow, that's crazy. Look at that. I don't know if you can see this, yeah, but this is fully dry, like and look how long it is as it's dried. It looks so good. Yeah, I'm sold. I'm fully sold. Wow. Yeah. So this is definitely going to be kept. It just straightened my hair and it dried it in 90 seconds. So I'm going to do all of them. I'm going to come back to you. Can you see? Wow. Excellent. Okay, next one. This is fully dry, you know. Wow. Let's go to this one. Wow, guys, wow. Look at my hair. Like, look at it. It goes down to here. It's proper. What? No way. What? Oh my god. I need to call my sister. I can't believe this. Alright guys, so I've done half of my head now and this is how it looks stretched out. I feel like my hair feels great. I have no product in it and it doesn't feel dry. It still looks good. It dried my hair very well. The ends are a bit like crispy, but I'm going to put castor oil after. But so far this feels so good and it's so quick, super quick. I love it. Like, I love it. I haven't seen my hair this stretched in a long time. I haven't used heat in my hair for like over 10 years. Like, it's so long. I haven't ever blow dried my hair. So having this this straight is gonna be so helpful and so stretched. It's gonna be helpful when I do my cane rolls, like when I want to leave my hair out. Look how black it is. Look how good it looks. Like, can you see? This is just half of my head. I'm gonna do the whole hair and then you'll see how it looks. But this looks dope, guys. With no product in my hair feels great. I'm not gonna lie, it feels so good. And it looks healthy as well. Like, I can't wait to do the whole head. Look at that. Look at that. Like, it's all armpit. I'm gonna do my whole hair. I'm gonna come back to you guys, okay?
One eternity later.
Sweat in buckets.
Yeah, you like to put this shit in your nose. I still love you, doing shit that nobody knows. In the streets, they be thinking you're a lady, but at home. If you ain't nasty, don't have me. I was freaking okay. And I do want to change the dark, I mean, come on, play back, I hope that's okay.
Alright, guys, so I finished washing, conditioning, drying my hair, and this is the results. This is how my hair looks. It's cute. I'm gonna put it in twists, and then I'm going to put in cane rows after. So this is my finished look. My hair has been washed and washed and blow dried, and with the RevAir. This is what I used to get me a stretched look. This was super good. I really enjoyed it. Very quick, very drying. I mean, very dry. All my hair is dry. My hair is stretched, and I can style it easier. This is it up. Natural hair, what? From the front is armpit. Because my hair's 4C, it starts to shrink. Even when it's like been blown out, it starts to get like ready to go back to its afro state. And then from the back, the bra strap. Yeah. Alright, guys, thanks for tuning into my hair care. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing my process. Alright, bye guys. See you next time on my channel. Mwah, mwah. And it, like, it's straight, like I straightened it. I don't even have to straighten my hair. This is it, the first one I did in twist, yeah? 90 seconds.
I can already tell that one's done.
Bro, 90 seconds. And if you see that, look at my other twist, yeah? This is how my twists are. They shrunk, yeah? Like,
you're not putting the camera on your...
Oh wait, hold on. Look at my other twists, yeah?
Yeah, I see it.
They all shrunk, right? Properly shrunk. Look at it wet, yeah?
I see it, yeah.
And then look at it like flipping stretched. This compared to this, and it's dry but not horrible
and
dry.
Is it still soft?
Yeah, it's still soft. Anyways, my love, I love you long time. Love you too, babes.
Love you, bye.
Love you, bye.
Bye.